First set of 10, we're doing a lot more bent movements. Then the second half of that 20-minute circuit, a little more straight-legged options on some of the drills. Bend to 90, open to the side, bring it back. Kind of the fire hydrant or clamshell movement here. Exhale up, inhale back. But again, all these drills, you've got the resistance all ways. So we're exhaling up, but also use the abductors to bring it back. So it's abductors out, groin adductors in. You'll start slower. You want to open up as high as you can as if you're about to do one of those jump quad kicks. That'll be coming later in the flow here. I got the world's greatest camera operator in water, known to a man, woman in. Nail me this side. That's good. Let's add some speed to it. Up and down. Leg at 90. Make sure that foot stays out. There we go. Cooking. Stay planted on that down leg. And other side.
Yes.
Really opens up in that lateral plane. So again, groin, glutes. Same thing other side. Start lower, bring it back. You gotta be active on that down leg, your support leg. Exhale off and heel down. Open up those hips. If you have stiff, achy, tight hips, this has done more for my hips than any other routine I've ever done, which is why I'm so excited to share it with you today. So that's a speed to it now. Over time, the weeks and the months of doing this regularly, at least a couple times a week, on days, weekends, whenever you have extra time, warm up, cool down for an actual land session too. Love doing that. Those clicks will start to go away. The range of motion will improve. Beautiful. Now we're doing our internal